ChatGPT just released a brand new feature called ChatGPT Tasks, and we're going to take a look, give you a quick overview of how do you create tasks, how do you manage your tasks, and how do you see what's already there in case you need to delete some. Let's take a look. So let's dive right in and figure out how does this new tasks feature from ChatGPT work. It's really incredibly simple. As a reminder, if you're watching this and it's just been released, I'm recording this on January 15th. It's just been released to paid users. It may not hit your account yet, but it should be there momentarily. So we're going to go up and pick on the model here that we want under ChatGPT 4. Notice when we do a drop down, we've got a brand new beta feature called ChatGPT 4 with scheduled tasks. And we can just ask ChatGPT to follow up later. So we're going to go ahead and click on here. And it just like that, it changes it. And notice you've got a new ChatGPT tasks up here. And at this point in time, we can ask it to do anything we want. Now, occasionally this gets a little confusing because you're not really sure what to do, but this is a great way to start. And if you're not sure, just say, how can ChatGPT tasks help me out? And it'll actually give you some ideas of things that it can do and things that we can prompt it to do. So things like send reminders, provide summaries, perform recurring checks, encourage good habits, a regular prompt to stay on track, for example, or even deliver curated content. So one of the things that I set up right away was the ability to go out and check some news feeds and come back and do a search basically on the latest AI news. So for example, let's say you wanted to create that to help you with your newsletter. And let's say that you're a chiropractor. All we need to do is say, get me the most recent and up-to-date news on chiropractic care. We can put that in there and we're going to watch and see what happens here. ChatGPT is going to think and it's going to go ahead and create a task. And you can see it's went ahead and done that. So it says, sure, I'll provide the latest chiropractor every morning at 8 a.m. Now, that's great, but I can even go in and edit this further by clicking on this. And when I click on the task, I get the opportunity to update my instructions, to update my frequency, how often I'd like this to happen, and the time of day that I'd like it to happen. So for example, maybe I want to make sure that we're also dealing with things just in a particular area. So maybe I want to talk about news on chiropractic care and myotherapy. Probably spelling that wrong, but we can do that and we'll go ahead and save that. And now I've updated my prompt, and every day at 8 o'clock, I'm going to get that update. We can also even make changes and tell it we want it to email us. So let's go ahead and edit this again and then say, then send me an email of the results to Jonathan Mast at whitebeardstrategies.com. And we can save that. Notice down here we've also got a pause and a delete button that we can do. All right, and if we want to take the next step and we want to go ahead and get reminded of those, how do we do that? We go over to our settings here, and notice there's a new task menu here as well. And we can click on our tasks and it will show us the various tasks that we have set up. We can then click on here and edit and make changes. We're going to be doing some more testing on this and sharing ideas. I'd love to get your thoughts on how you plan to use tasks in the near future. Let me know down in the comments. As I mentioned, this is a brand new feature in ChatGPT, and it's currently rolling out across the world to Pro, Plus, and Team users. That means you need a paid account right now in order to access this feature. I do expect at some point in the future they may make this available to free users, but currently it's only available to paid subscribers, and it is rolling out. So if you don't have it today, you should have it within the next few days. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the best ways that you plan to use ChatGPT tasks to help make you more efficient and make your day brighter. Let me know down in the comments.